A very good morning to all of you dear students. As you know that I hope you all are fine. So as you know that in the last class we started the exercise 13.5 and completed also. So now we are going to begin our next exercise 13.6 related to the volume of cylinder. The volume of cylinder. So as you know that there are one thing only, the volume of cylinder. The cylinder will be like this. This is the shape of the cylinder, and the cylinder having two things. First thing is height, and the second thing is radius. The second thing is radius. If the radius is not given, then we have to convert the radius because diameter equals to there are two times of radius. From this formula we can find the radius. So the volume of the cylinder, volume of cylinder, volume of cylinder. The formula is pi r square h. Pi r square h and unit cube. The volume is in always unit cube, and the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. This is the formula to find out the volume of a cylinder. We use this formula to find the volume of this cylinder. So based on this one formula, the one exercise is there, exercise 13.6. So now as you know that I hope you understood the things of formula of the cylinder pi, where pi means 22 by 7, and r is the radius, and h is the height. So in the question all these values will be given, and we can find out the volume of a cylinder. So first of all, just take the screenshot, mention the formula in this exercise, and after that we will start our question. So the question number first. Okay. So first take the screenshot and mention the formula in the notebook. Okay, so the next the question number first is like this. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 cm and the height is 25 cm. How many liter of water can hold it? It means the circumference of the base of a cylinder is given. Base of the cylinder. So cylinder will be like this, and this is the base of the cylinder. Base. And the circumference of this base, तो cylinder का base जो है always a circle होता है. The base of a cylinder is always a circle. आपने देखा होगा cylinder का base होता है always a circle. And the circumference of circle is given 132. So as you know that the formula to find out the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. We used to find out the circumference of a circle. There is 2 pi r. So as you know that 2 pi r circumference is given 132 centimeter. So the formula of circumference is 2 pi r is equals to 132. Pi is 22 by 7. 2 into 22 44 by 7. So r is equals to 132 into 7 upon 44. And when we will cut, then we will get 21 centimeter is our radius. R means radius. First of all, we have to find out the radius because the radius is not given. So the radius is 21 centimeter. So now as you know that we need to find out the volume. So the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 21 into 21, and h is 21. Then we will get our answer like this: 34650 centimeter cube. But the question is saying like this: we have to find out our answer in the liter. We have to find out the answer in liter. So as you know that 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. So we will make the division of 1000 to 34650 divided by 1000. Then 0 and 0 will be cut. Okay. So our answer is 3.34.65 liter is the volume of this cylinder. So it means the cylinder can hold the water of quantities 3.34.65 liter. So I hope you understood. So just take the screenshot and write in your notebook. So this is our answer. The quantity of the water can hold in the cylinder. Okay students, so the next question number second will be like this. The inner diameter of a cylindrical pipe is 24 centimeter and the outer diameter is 28 centimeter. It means the cylinder is hollow. सिलेंडर कैसा है बेटा होलो है, जहाँ पे भी इनर डायमीटर एंड आउटर डायमीटर is given. Whenever inner and outer diameter is given, then just you understood that the cylinder is hollow. The inner diameter is given 24 and the outer is 28. The length of the pipe means the height of the pipe is given 35 centimeter, and find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube wood is equals to 0.6 gram. So that is for the final answer. So first of all, the given the inner diameter will be let D1 is given 24 centimeter. Then R1, what is the inner radius? 24 upon 2, 12 centimeter. Second thing, outer diameter is given 28 centimeter. So what is the outer radius? 28 upon 2, 14 centimeter. And the length of pipe is, the height is given 35 centimeter. And we need to find the volume of the pipe. So volume of the pipe is outer minus inner. This is our volume. ये तो यहाँ पे होगा क्योंकि because the cylinder is hollow. The cylinder is hollow. So this is our volume. So इसको find करने के लिए outer minus inner. We have to find the outer volume minus inner volume. So the volume of outer cylinder, the radius of outer is R2. So the volume is as you know that the cylinder volume is pi R square h. But for the outer is pi R2 square h minus pi R1 square h. Pi and h will be taken common, then R2 square minus R1 square. So now we place the value of pi is 22 by 7, h is given 35, R2 is 40 and R1 is 12. So 7 into 7 and 7 factor 35. 14 square is 196 and 12 square is 144. 196 minus 144 is 52. When we make the multiplication, then we will get 75720 centimeter cube. It means the volume of the pipe is 5720 centimeter cube is the volume of the pipe. So now we have to find out the mass of pipe. We need to find the mass of pipe. So because the given like this 1 centimeter equals to 0.6 gram, the given thing is 1 centimeter cube is equals to 0.6 gram. So we will make the multiplication of the volume and the quantity of the wood. So 5720 into 0.6 and answer is 3432.0 gram. 0 gram. This answer is absolutely correct. But if we need to change in kg, so as you know that 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So we will make the division of 1000. So 3432 upon 1000 and 3.432 kg is our answer. So this is the final mass of the wood. Whatever we need to find, that is our answer. So just take the screenshot and write in your notebook. And if you are having doubts, then afterwards you can ask. Okay students, so the next case number third, a soft drink available in 2 packets. एक soft drink है वो 2 पैकेट्स में available है. One is cuboid shape and one is cylindrical shape. पहला shape तो क्या है बेटा? First shape is cuboid and the second shape is cylinder. तो ये पूछ रहा है कि किसके अंदर soft drink ज़्यादा आएगी? Which one has the more capacity? किसके अंदर soft drink ज़्यादा आएगी? So we will find out the volume of the cuboid. So as you know the volume of the cuboid is length multiply breadth multiply height, and the dimensions is given. So 5 multiply 4 multiply 15, then 300 centimeter cube is the volume of cuboid. ये cuboid का volume है. Okay, so now we will find out the value of the cylindrical volume of the cylindrical tea pack. तो cylindrical pack है, इसकी volume find करते हैं. The diameter is given 7 centimeter and the height is given 10. So what is the radius? Diameter upon 2, 7 upon 2. So division is if the 7 is not divisible by 2, then make as it is 7 upon 2 ही लिखना है, divide नहीं करना है. Then our answer is volume is pi r square h. So 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into 10 r square. R इसका मतलब 2 बार आएगा. So 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. 7 will be cut 2 1 ja 2 and 2 11 ja 22. Then 2 1 ja 2 and 2 10 ja 2 5 ja 10. So 77 मीटर का आंसर इज 385 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. ये इसका वॉल्यूम है और ये आ गया इसका वॉल्यूम. अब आपको पता है किसका वॉल्यूम ज्यादा है तो मैंने लिख दिया. सो द सिलेंड्रिकल सिलेंडर है द ग्रेटर वॉल्यूम और कितना ज्यादा है 385 minus 385 centimeter cube. The cylinder volume is more. It means we need to buy only the cylindrical because cylindrical पे ज्यादा आ रहा है. So हम क्या खरीदेंगे cylindrical वाला जो पैक है कोल्ड ड्रिंक का वही खरीदेंगे because क्यूबिक के अंदर वॉल्यूम क्या आ रहा है कम आ रहा है. Okay, so the next question number 4 the like this. If the lateral surface area of the cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square and the height is 5 centimeter, find the radius of base and the volume. We have to find out the radius of base and the volume of the cylindrical vessel where LSA is given. LSA यहाँ पे LSA नहीं आना चाहिए because the LSA is from cylinder है CSA. सिलेंडर में क्या होता है CSA होता है कर्व सरफेस एरिया. बट आगे कोई दिक्कत नहीं, LSA CSA सेम कह सकते हैं हम. But the cylinder for the cylinder we use CSA only. CSA is given 94.2 centimeter square. So CSA, the CSA of the cylinder is formula होता है 2 pi r h. This is the CSA of a cylinder 2 pi r h. formula होता है 2 pi h. So 2 pi RH is given 94.2. 94.2 is equals to 2 pi RH. Pi, instead of pi, every time we use pi equals to 22/7, but this time question is given use pi equals to 3.14. So pi equals to 3.14, r is not given, h is 5. So we will make the multiplication of 2 into 3.14 into 5, then we will get 31.4. Then r equals to 94.2 upon 31.4, then 3 cm is our radius. This is our radius. So now we have to find out the volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Pi is 3.14, r is 3 into 3, h is 10. The answer is 141.3 centimeter cube. This is our volume of the cylinder. So I hope you understood. Then also if you are having doubt, just remember one thing, this is the CS of cylinder. Actually 9th C I didn't teach this chapter 30.1, 30.2 and 30.3. So you remember CS of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. Okay, so just take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Next question number 5th and 6th. Okay, students, so the next case number 5th, the cost of rupees 2,200 to paint the inner curved surface area of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. If the cost of the painting at the rate rupees 20 per meter square, find the inner curved surface area of the vessel, the radius of the base and the capacity of the vessel. It means we need to find the three things are there: the inner curved surface area, the second thing the radius, and the third thing the capacity, means the volume. Always capacity means remember the volume of the cylindrical vessel. For that the cost is given. Two types of cost is given in this question. There are two types of cost is given. First cost, total cost to paint a cylindrical vessel. ये cylindrical vessel है, इसको paint करने के लिए inner curve surface area, inner curve surface area paint करने के लिए total cost is given rupees 2,200 and the cost per meter is given rupees 20. So first of all we need to find out inner curve surface area. CSM is curve surface area. So if in any question we need to find out inner curve surface area, in that question if two cost is given, अगर दो cost दी हुई हो, so when you will make the division of both of the cost, then you will get inner curve surface area directly. आपको डायरेक्टली inner curve surface area मिलेगा कब? When total cost is division by cost per meter square. So the total cost is 2,200 or upon per meter cost is 20. 0 will be cut 220 upon 2. Then inner CSA is 110 meter square is your inner curve surface area. So now the second thing we need to find inner radius. So for the radius, as you know, the inner curve surface area CS जो होता है, already I told you the CS of this cylinder is 2 pi RH. The CSA of this cylinder is 2 pi RH, and 2 pi RH equals to 110. 2 pi means 22/7. R is not given. H is given how much? 10 and 10. Okay, so 22 multiplied to 44 into 10, 440 into R. 7 will be multiplication, so 7 will be changed in division. Okay, so 110 into 7. So R equals to 110 into 7 upon 440. Then 0 and 0 will be cut. So the 11 with the 11 4 is 44. So answer is 7 upon 4 meters is our radius. Now the second answer also we got. The radius also we are having 7 upon 4. Now the capacity means volume. So capacity of this cylinder means volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Pi is 22/7, r then 7/4. R square is here, so 2 times we should write 7/4 and 7/4. H is given 10. Okay, 7 and 7 will be cut. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 2 20 ja 11 and again 2 and 5. So answer is 55 into 7 upon 4, 385 upon 4. The answer is 96.5 meter cube. If you want to change your volume in kiloliter, then the answer will be same kiloliter, because 1 meter cube is equals to 1 kiloliter. Okay, so you can change, then you get 96.5 kiloliter. This is our three things of this question. First of all, inner CSA, the second thing the radius, and the third thing is the volume. So capacity means volume. So first we find already. Just remember one thing, if two costs is given in this question, अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में दो cost is given है, then when you will make the division of both of the cost, then you will get the CSA of the cylinder. After that, use the formula of CSA, then you will get the radius of the cylinder. Then whatever we have to find out the volume or capacity, we can say volume or we can say the capacity. So the capacity of a cylinder is pi r square h. So our answer is like this, 96.5 kiloliter. And if you want to convert, then you will get the answer 96.5 kiloliter. So this is your answer. So just take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Okay students, so the next question number 8, the question number 6 and 7, two homework are there. आपके लिए दो homework है, question number 6 and question number 7. Just try to solve at home. Two homeworks are there. So I hope that all this question I solved. So now the remaining two you can solve. Question number 6 and question number 7 is the homework. So just try to solve at your home. If you face any problem, any doubt, then afterwards you can ask. So the next question number 8, the last question of this exercise. After that our exercise 13.6 will be completed. 6 questions I done, and the remaining two only the homework 6 and 7. So I hope that two questions you can solve at home for the homework. So the 8th question, a patient in hospital given the soup daily in a cylindrical bowl. एक हॉस्पिटल के अंदर एक पेशेंट को सिलेंड्रिकल बाउल, ऐसा एक बाउल है इसके अंदर सूप देते हैं. What soup provide the patient in this bowl hospital? The diameter is given 7 centimeter and the height is given 4 centimeter. So the question is saying how many total soup required for 250 patient. तो उस hospital में how many patients are there? 250 patients है. So for the 250 patient, how many soup we required for that hospital? So first of all we need to find out the soup required for one patient. It means the volume of one cylinder. So okay, so as you know that the diameter is given 7, so the radius is 7/2 centimeter. If the division is not completed, so don't make the division. Follow as it is only 7/2. So the volume of cylinder pi r square h, pi means 22/7, r is given, r square is here, so that's why this 7/2 into 7/2, h is given 4, 7 will be cut and 2 will be 2 and 4 will be cut. So 2 into 77, 154 centimeter cube is the volume of one cylindrical bowl. एक bowl, volume of one bowl, one patient या one bowl, volume of one bowl. So now the hospital 250 patients are there. In the hospital 250 patients are there. So the total volume for 250 patients, 250 multiplied 154, then we will get 3854 centimeter cube is our answer. But if you have to change the liter, so as you know that 1 centimeter cube is equal to कितना होता है 1000 liter. So make the division, total volume is equal to 38500 upon 1000, 20 and 20 will be cut. So 38.5 liter is the volume soup required for the 250 patients in the hospital. Hospital में कितने patients हैं? 250 patients हैं. So 250 liter required soup for the patient in the hospital. So next, as you know that 6 question I done and 2 question is the homework, question number 6 and 7. So solve at home. If you face any problem, then after that you can ask on the Google Meet. So I hope you understood the exercise 13.6 very well. If you face any problem, then you can ask. Before to ask anything, first just see the video, whatever I explained in the video. Then if you face problem, then you can ask. So I hope you understood the two questions, homework 6 and 7 you have to do at home. If you face problem, then ask. Okay, thank you. Today's class is over.